Yellow cattle is native to China and they have a long history. In a poem written by Du Fu in the Tang Dynasty, it is mentioned, "The white duck lives towards the north, the yellow cattle towards the east." Even in modern times, yellow cattle are still important in the lives of farmers. They are an indispensable existence in Hunan cuisine. Steaming, simmering, and stir-frying are all in a class of their own. The stir-fry technique puts more emphasis on a quick start with a short stir-fry time over high heat. The essence of yellow beef is encapsulated in the process of stir-frying. Today, we present to you a classic Hunan dish that tonifies and nourishes the qi and blood: Hunan stir-fried beef. Rinse the beef thoroughly. Pick up the tendons of beef. Cut the beef into thin slices. Add salt to the beef slices, followed by the cooking wine, egg, starch, and mix well. Set aside. Marinate for 15 minutes to retain the moisture and tenderness of the beef. While marinating, make a bowl of cornstarch slurry. Cut the coriander into pieces. Then cut the green and red chili into pieces. Cut the bird-eye chili and red chili into rings. Peel the ginger and garlic and cut them into slices. Set aside. Heat up a pot. Pour in cooking oil. Add the beef slices and stir-fry quickly until browned. Remove from the pan and drain the oil. Leave oil in the pan. Add ginger slices, garlic, bird-eye chili rings, red chili rings, as well as the green and red chili pieces, then sauté until fragrant. Next, place the beef into the pan. Stir-fry together quickly and evenly. Add the soy sauce and oyster sauce. Pour in the cornstarch slurry to thicken. Lastly, add the coriander pieces. Remove from the pan, and the dish is ready to be served. The delicious and aromatic dish of Hunan stir-fried beef is now done. The people of Hunan who own the huge peaks and mountains are enthusiastic and brisk, as well as has a firm and straightforward temperament, but not lacking in the flair for literature. It can be said that there are talents everywhere in Hunan. Just like this well-known dish of Hunan stir-fried beef, the mountains and waters have cultivated characteristics as intense and strong as fire. However, precise heat and skill are still essential.